How's it going, everyone? And this video is about why I bought a modular helmet. So I've been wearing this helmet nonstop for about 3 hours now. Feels awesome, extremely comfortable. It's all good. Got my little quick release right here, which is awesome. One hand, right? That's all good. But the main reasons are for all the features, the comfort and the features, right? So it's awesome not having to worry about sunglasses. And I know Shoei has a transitioning lens, but I don't want that because I want to decide when I want it clear, because sometimes it's bright outside and I want it to be clear. And sometimes I just want the luxury of just having the sunglasses, or maybe if it's dark, it's not, I don't know. I just like having the option of I get to choose when I want it clear or dark without worrying about sunglasses and all that crap. And then this, having it up, I can, like I'm always doing, I'm teaching and I'm doing practice sessions once a week now. And I meet up with a bunch of people and coach them and do all kinds of stuff. So this is just way more convenient, as well as I could drink water. I go into a store without taking off my helmet. I could drink water. I could talk to people without screaming. If I'm making a video, I don't have to take off my entire helmet so you could hear me. So all these different reasons why I got it. So I looked at a whole bunch of different helmets that are all modular. I went to Cycle Gear and I was like, hey, show me all the modular helmets. And I was just looking around, trying them all on, shoe birth and everything else. And this one just felt the best. I like the features the best out of this one. Like I like the way that's real easy to find with my glove on. It's not like some little thing to open up the vent. This is super easy, convenient. This is really easy to open up even with gloves on, and it has 2 metal latches of how it locks in. Some helmets only have 1, or they're plastic, so it doesn't seem too secure. But yeah, this felt the best. It's a medium size, and it fits me very good. So of course I still have my 6D helmet, and this is for the track. So now I have a track helmet. Then of course I have my leathers, my track gloves, and my track boots. And I also have a whole nother set of gear, boots, pants, knee and shin guards, gloves, and a different helmet for the dirt stuff. And then this is all my street gear, right? But anyway, super comfortable, convenient, riding around for 3 hours, no problem with it. And now whenever I'm doing my weekly practice sessions, or I meet up with people in the parking lot and I'm showing them something and I'm on the bike, or that I put them on the back of the bike with me, whatever I'm doing, this is just way easier for my lifestyle and what I'm doing to have this type of helmet. So why did I get a new helmet in the first place? So my other white 6D helmet that I had, it got damaged. So I needed to get a new one anyway. And when I was thinking about getting a new helmet, I was like, well, my track helmet's, that's good. So I could just keep that one and wear it for the street and the track, but it'll wear out twice as fast. So now that's just only track only. And I was thinking about everything I do, what I'm going to be doing, and the convenience of it. I never owned a modular helmet before. So I was like, maybe I'll give it a try. I went to Cycle Gear just to look at a bunch of them. And after I put this on and walked around with it and played around with it, I was like, man, this thing's good. So I got it. And I went riding around on the city streets, on the highway, in the dirt for about an hour, a big old fire break road in the dirt. And the helmet's great. I can't tell you much of anything about the weight or the wind or how loud it is, because I always wear earplugs, so it doesn't make a difference to me anyway. And the weight of it, I never feel like a helmet is heavy or light. I don't know. They just all feel the same to me. I could feel it like if I'm holding it in my hand, but once it gets on my head, it's not a problem. And like I said, 3 hours of riding this thing and I'm perfectly fine. I could go riding for another couple hours right now. I don't even have to take it off because I could just lift it up and go inside of the store or whatever I want to do. Anyway, great helmet. I sure do like it. I got white because it's easier to see. And it was like another $100 or a couple $100 just to get graphics. So I was like, well, that's kind of silly. I'm not going to do that. So I just got a white one. Anyway, there we go. That's why I got a modular helmet.